Baksa district in Assam, known for its lush greenery and fertile farmlands, has always depended on the rhythm of rainfall. Many areas in Baksa are facing a gradual decrease in rainfall. What once were green...
Why is this happening? Experts and locals point to several reasons: deforestation, unplanned development, shrinking wetlands.
Farmers suffer from poor harvests. Families walk long distances for water. Even children feel the effect.
Our team decided to take action. Together with local villagers, we planted over 200 seedlings. With collective efforts, from afforestation to water harvesting, Baksa can restore its natural balance. A greener, sustainable Baksa is our dream reaching and our step toward a Viksit Bharat.